I'm nearing the completion of this project. I am now painting everything. Got a lot of painting to do. It's a lot of work to paint. This big of a project. It doesn't look like it'd be that much, but there are lots of nooks and crannies to paint. And Christy thought it'd be good to paint, so we decided that we'll go ahead and paint it. I imagine I probably have about 2 hours of painting or so to do. I kind of thought that a quart would be enough, but I was obviously mistaken. I'll need a whole nother quart to do the rest. I've used about a third of it so far, and you can see what I've done. Kind of not really going in any particular order, just doing whatever I can do, and then it's drying so fast I got a fan blowing on it. It's actually drying pretty darn fast. So I'm kind of doing like the outside edges on some of them, and then I can come back through and touch up and not get paint on myself while I'm painting some of the others. So lots of work to do yet.